Let's talk about Flows Query Language, or FQL. I have a block here called record. This is how we can store data in a formatted key-value pair. So our data says that we have Steve, a software engineer at a spry young age of 30, and we have a log block to log that data record. When we run our Postman Flow, you can see the Steve data record is logged to the console. What if we want to parse this data? Well, we can create an evaluate block to transform and query data using FQL. So the default will be value 1, but we can rename this to make it a little bit more relatable. Maybe we call this employee. And then down below, you can start writing an FQL query. But if you don't remember the syntax for that, or don't want to find one of these common snippets, you can find this magic wand and say you just want to, log out the age. I don't remember the syntax, but let's just write that in and generate suggestions. Yeah, that looks right. This is actually how I might parse this record. So let's create another block to log the employee's age. So let's clear our console and run again. We see the first log, which is the first entire record, and then we've drilled down on 30, which is Steve's age. So if you're not really certain about how to parse data or what the syntax for something is, check out this magic wand icon, which uses artificial intelligence, or AI, to help understand what you're asking for. So if you're like, I forgot how to write a conditional. Is age over 20? Is Steve over 20? Let's generate FQL. Okay, so now we see there's a Boolean type, we're parsing some data, and we're seeing if they're over 20. I don't have to memorize it because I'm using this magic wand, but this is Flows Query Language. Check out some other ways to use FQL. I'll drop a link in the description below.